In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Excel sheet to PDF. This is a simple and useful way to save your spreadsheet in a format that is easy to share, print, and open on almost any device. Converting an Excel sheet to PDF helps keep the layout more consistent, which is especially helpful if you are sending the file to someone who does not need to edit it. Begin by opening your Excel workbook and making sure the sheet you want to convert is ready. It is a good idea to quickly review the content before exporting. Check that the data looks correct and that the sheet appears the way you want it to appear in the final PDF. This can help you avoid creating a file that needs to be redone. Once you are ready, go to the File menu in Excel. This is where you will find several options for saving, sharing, and exporting your document. In the File menu, select Export. The Export section gives you different ways to create a version of your spreadsheet in another format. From there, click the button labeled Create PDF or XPS document. This tells Excel that you want to turn your current sheet or workbook into a PDF-style file that is easier to distribute. After clicking that option, click OK to continue. This will bring up the publishing window where Excel prepares the file for export. At this point, click Publish. Excel will then create the PDF version of your sheet and save it to your chosen location. Depending on your settings, the PDF may open automatically once it has been created, so you can quickly review it and make sure everything looks right. If the formatting in the PDF does not look the way you expected, you may want to go back to the Excel sheet and adjust the layout before publishing again. Small changes in spacing or page setup can make the final result look much cleaner. It is always helpful to give the PDF a quick check after exporting, especially if you plan to send it to clients, coworkers, or print it out. That is the full process for converting an Excel sheet to PDF using the export option. It is quick, straightforward, and very practical for everyday use. And that is all there is to it.